The worst thing about skiing is putting on your ski boots.
And then even once you get these on, walking can be such a challenge because they're very stiff, they're hard, you kind of have to walk funny. And it's just not fair because the snowboarders have like regular boots and are able to walk like nothing, and they make it look like it's so much nicer.
In my search to find a really comfortable ski boot that just doesn't completely drive me crazy, I've found a company called Apex, and they've got an exoskeleton with an inner boot. I'm super excited. Okay, so this looks like a regular ski boot, but there's actually two parts to it. If I unhook the buckles, I can actually push on the back here, and like a snowboarder type boot comes out. In a traditional ski boot, which is plastic, there is a liner on the inside, but it would be near impossible to pull out and put back in. With the Apex boot, it's a much softer shell set up with these boas for adjustments, and it's just so much softer and really warmer than being constricted in this plastic case.
So let me show you how much easier it is to put these boots on. So you pop this out, you're gonna push this forward, pop it back in. You're also gonna pop the side out. Then you're simply gonna hold the strap, slide your foot in. Then pull your tongue up, push that in, push this back in, and tighten it very easily. No more jerking it around like the other ones. You're just gonna keep adjusting. Pop that back in. Keep adjusting until the fit feels right. So this makes it a whole lot easier to walk.
There are several different ways that you could put this boot on. While you're sitting, you could actually pull this out of the way, get this on an angle so that the toe is in, then push the back in, did I get it? Yep, then it's in. Or, to remove it, you push this little thumb part, it comes right out. One of the easier ways to do this is actually to kind of come in at an angle and lean towards it. So as you're leaning, let me move my leg so you can see it, but as I'm holding myself on something, leaning forward, just push that down, then I do my buckles. The other thing you could do is have this exoskeleton in your ski already, but here's the part where it becomes difficult with that. When your boot is in your ski, it pulls up the brakes, so then your ski wants to slide. When your boot is out of the skis, those little brakes come down and hold it in place. So you could do it, but you'd want to be in a place where you make sure your skis aren't going to get away from you. Then real quickly, you're basically, the snugness of the boot was done with the boas. Now all you're doing is securing the exoskeleton to the outside, not so tight that it's actually squeezing the difference of your of where your boot is right now, but just enough to hold that boot on, keeping it firm without restricting it anymore. And it's really a very comfortable fit, and those boas, they cinch very evenly, so you don't have a bunch of hot spots. So the next test of the Apex boots is to hit the slopes. So we have a 1/3 of a mile walk to the gondola, and you just might have seen that van pass me in the background. If these aren't that comfortable, we'll be grabbing the Galloping Goose from now on. One other thing I will say is they are a little stiffer than regular snow boots, so when you're coming downstairs, they're a little bit stiffer, but they're not nearly as bad as the full ski boot. So we're gonna see how this goes, and gonna get a long hike in with them on, so we'll let you know.
So far, so good. I feel like I'm walking in boots. My feet are really warm too.
boots out for the first 2 runs of the season. They did fabulous, very, very comfortable. My feet were very, very warm when I got here from walking. They did get cold by the second run. Not bad, but I think it's because my feet got pretty sweaty because we trucked a third of a mile over here, which I probably normally wouldn't go quite that far, but it's so easy in these I might. So great boot, very comfortable. You do have to get used to getting them in and out of the exoskeleton just when you're standing there at the ski rack and everything like that, but great boot. If you are looking for a great comfortable boot, definitely the Apex is the way to go. This is a Crestone. They do have a Antero, which is a more performance boot, but at this point in my game, I'm looking for comfort and looking for enjoyment. So remember, get out there, have an adventure, and if you can have an adventure with comfortable feet, it's even better. And don't forget to be free. See you in the next adventure.
And don't forget to check out our other videos because we're going to be checking out 6 different resorts in Colorado over the next little while, and we'll be posting those. So see you in the next adventure.